Hey everyone, this video is only for those students who are in masters of second year and still are facing a literature review right now. So 5 things for master students should start early in their literature review. First, make a diary. Is it possible you can go for offline or hard copy, but still you have a second option that you can use your desktop or laptop and you can install OneNote to make this diary. In one section you have to add some pages like your top generals, your top conferences, whatever you have done in on your daily basis like work plan, and whatever you have sent to your supervisor, a collection of all your past uh, in this page, and whatever hurdles you are right now facing, because everything is going on online and still you have some communication gap with you and your supervisor. So still you can note all these hurdles in this list, and whenever you get a chance to connect with your supervisor, you can ask. So it is very necessary that make your data, collect your data on daily basis. Why I am saying, suppose you have done something today and in near future after 1 week or 2 week, it's very difficult to remember all these things. Whenever you have collected all your past experiences with you, then it will connect you in a better way with your future work plan. Second one is start learning LaTeX, because to be professional you should go for LaTeX, but still you have a second option, MS Word. And the quality of professionalism in the LaTeX, it's a very helpful for you whenever you go for PhD or something higher postdoc. Still, then you have to learn uh, this software. Third one is make a file of references. It will very helpful to you, because whenever you collect all these references and in your whenever you got a chance to write your research paper or something thesis paper, it will very helpful for you that time. Fourth one is find top researchers. You can use a Google Scholar to find your top researcher in your field. It takes time, but still you have to spend 2 or 3 months, I can say, so you can go very easily. And fifth one is find top journals. Is it similar like top how you have to find a top researchers, and similar way you can search your journals also, and you can collect all these data in your OneNote. So it will very helpful to